Hi, I'm at the Oceanside Inn in Daytona Beach, Florida, and today I'm showing you rooms 217, 18, and 19. There are 3 adjoining rooms. This is your view, the parking area, one of the parking areas, and right onto the beach. There's also a pool area, tiki bar. This is the first room. These rooms have had some updates. We've got laminate wood flooring already in place. This one has a king size bed. We've got a nice little dining area looking out at the ocean and the new construction next door. They've been doing some painting here to freshen things up. This is the center room, and this has your little built-in area. So you've got microwave, dishes, little workspace here. We've got your refrigerator, storage for utensils, and your trash area. It also has a fold down top, so if you want to hide everything, you just fold down the top. Nobody knows it's there. So we've got room next door here. Got 2 beds over here. Same kind of dining situation, same flooring, nice space. Certainly has lots of possibilities if you want to set it up different. You could keep them all to yourself. You could rent them out separately in any type of configuration. Good closet space. They all have the same bathrooms in them. So you've got your beige tile, oversized subway, and little vanity areas. So we're going to go back across and we're going to look at the last room here on the other side. Pretty much the same thing. Your laminate wood. You've got 2 beds. Again, dining area, nice bright colors, and certainly, see what else they're going to do for upgrades in here, or you can do your own. You've got your fridge, your microwave, so if you're renting this out separate, somebody still has all the basics and they don't have to worry. But certainly a lot of nice space, nice view. Easy to walk in from your car without having to worry about elevators or stairs. And a nice, bright, cheery unit. So again, this is unit 217, 18, and 19 at the Oceanside Inn in Daytona Beach, Florida. If you're interested, give me a call. Karen Kellerman, the real estate lady, 386-243-2000.